Hey guys, 24K Cuts here today with a package from Visionary Barbers. Let's see what we got. Got a red fade brush. Nice soft bristles. I got the red version for a friend of mine and the black one for myself. What I've been waiting to try, the Visionary and Gamma collab on the gold dub magnetic guards. When I heard about these, I knew I definitely had to try them since they came in gold. And I've heard a lot of good things about Gamma's dub magnetic guards. So they look great. They feel good. Just have to give them a try and see how they cut. And hairline enhancement tool. So I thought this one would be great for beards. Give that a try as well. First time I've made an order from Visionary. I've seen lots of posts and lots of stuff about them on Instagram. Checked out their website a few times, and I'm sure it won't be the first order I make from them. So I will update to let you guys know how these work. And yeah, so let's see how they fit on. JRL 2020. Fit on very nice. I have been using the Babyliss premium guards, which feel very similar to this. The way the teeth look, feel, but without the magnets. So I'm going to give these a go now, see what the differences are, and then I'll be making a video soon comparing these to the Babyliss premium guards, the Wahl premium guards, just all the guards that are out right now. Sex me, don't caress me, I'm good, I don't wanna be a bestie. She like wet me like a jet ski, beat her to it, I'ma do it if she let me. Yeah, get flee in a white tee, 200 on my neck, it get icy. Yeah, you can't be my wifey, you're just like me. Sex me, don't caress me. So yeah, they go on good, they feel good. She like wet me like a jet ski, beat her to it, I'ma do it if she let me. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos and thanks for watching.